The pressure in reactor 3 is fluctuating slightly. Yes, I see that. Adjust the biogas valve by 5%. The methane levels are stable, but look at the temperature spike on R3. Yeah, I see that. Let's adjust the mixer speed slightly and monitor the microbial activity. Purity levels stable at 98%.
Confirmed. Ready for ignition sequence.
Ignition sequence complete.
Confirmed. Power output climbing rapidly. We are fully online. We're holding steady at 98% efficiency. Good. Keep an eye on the temperature differential. Electricity flows through massive transformers outside the power station building. High voltage lines carry renewable energy across distant cities and villages. Confirm route optimization for Tanker 4. The shipment to the North 40 acres is approved.
Confirming the readings from the East Quadrant. We are clear for the next cycle. Pressure check on line 4 complete. Reading steady at 50 psi. The energy output continues to rise steadily.
Our decomposition process is optimizing the yield perfectly. Check the schedule for the next incoming biomass shipment.
Looks clear, we have capacity in Silo 2.
All systems appear nominal on the diagnostic.
Confirmed. Closing the bypass valve.
Data looks good on this one. Okay, moving to the next group.
We need to ensure the pipeline alignment matches the updated schematics.
Yes, especially with the increased capacity requirements for the digester tanks.
The complete cycle supports sustainable farming and clean energy together. The biogas plant creates a perfect circular economy in action. All pressure readings stabilizing. Confirm Sector 4 cleared. Sector 4 clear. Proceeding to muster point. All workers accounted for. Valve pressure steady at 200 psi. Methane flow looks good on my end too. We have an anomaly on turbine 3. Temperature rising fast. Confirmed. Entering the data now.